Dear students, today we are going to see the construction of Green's function for ordinary differential equation. So first of all, we'll understand the definition of a Green's function. Now for which equation we are going to construct the Green's function, that we are going to find out first. So here, let a differential equation of order n, that is nothing but L of y is equal to P naught of x y power n, P1 of x y power n minus 1, P2 of x y power n minus 2, and so on, Pn of x into y equal to 0. This is a differential equation, and P naught, P1, P2 and so on are nothing but the functions which are nothing but continuous in the closed interval a comma b. So this is continuous in the closed interval a comma b, and the boundary conditions are, now these are the boundary conditions, that is Vk is equal to alpha k y of a plus alpha k dash y dash of a plus and so on alpha k power n minus 1 y power n minus 1 y of a plus beta k y of b plus beta k dash y dash of b, and so on. We will get beta k n minus 1 y power n minus 1 of b, where k is nothing but equal to 1 to and so on n. This is equation number 2. Differential equation with the boundary conditions. This equation is 1 and this equation is 2. So where the forms means these are nothing but linear forms which will be having in the form of like y of a dash, y double dash of a, and y power n minus 1 of a, comma y of b, y dash of b, and so on, y power n minus 1 of b. v1, v2, r will be in the form of these two values, that is y of a and y dash of a, like that. You have a linear forms. So these are the linear forms, they are nothing but independent. So if they are independent, now these are the conditions. Now this 1 and 2 will have a trivial solution. This 1 and 2 means the differential equation with the boundary condition which is given, it has a trivial solution. Then we are going to construct a Green's function for the trivial solution of a differential equation only. If the solution is not having a trivial solution, if the differential equation does not having a trivial solution, then we cannot conduct the Green's function for this. Okay. Now let us see the Green's function, how it is going to be constructed by using the definition which is given. This is very important definition and important for 4 marks. They will be giving for the 4 marks to write the definition of construction of a Green's function. Now we are going to construct a Green function. This Green function definition contains 5 different steps. These 5 different steps we need to follow to solve the problem. So first definition, what is the definition says? Definition, okay, Green's function of the boundary value problem of the boundary value problem 1 and 2 means the above boundary value problem 1 and 2 is the function g of x comma I am taking as z. Okay, constructed for any point xi, that is xi is greater than a, less than b, and having the following 4 properties. It should follow the 4 properties. The first property, g of x comma xi is continuous. It should be continuous and has continuous derivatives with respect to x up to n minus 2 up to n minus 2, others up to order n minus 2 inclusive for xi greater than a less than b. Xi greater than or equal to a less than or equal to b. Okay, that means you take x, you take here x greater than or equal to a less than or equal to b. So it should be continuous for the function which is given, x greater than or equal to a less than or equal to b. This is the first condition. Now the second condition, second property, it's n minus 1th derivative, it's n minus 1th derivative, it's n minus 1th derivative with respect to x, at the point x equal to xi has, at the point x equal to xi has discontinuity of the first kind, the jump discontinuity, the jump being equal to 1 by p naught of x, that is 1 by p naught of x, that is dou power n minus 1 g of x comma t by dou of x power n minus 1 at x equal to t plus 0 minus dou power n minus 1 g of x comma t by dou x power n minus 1 at x equal to t minus 0, that must be equal to 1 by p naught of xi, that is 1 by p naught of xi. This is the other point. Now the third point is third property. I can say the third property which is important. Third property, in each of the intervals a comma xi, I can take a comma xi, this is open, closed and the open, and xi comma b, it is open and the close. The function g of x comma xi, considered as a function of xi is a solution of equation 1. It is a solution of equation 1. The fourth condition is, solution 1 means we can write L of g, it must be equal to 0, that becomes a solution for that. The fourth condition, g of x comma t satisfies x comma xi satisfies the boundary conditions. That is nothing but two boundary conditions in the equation which we have discussed that. So Vk of g is equal to 0 for k equal to 1 to so on n. Okay, these are the four different conditions to be used to construct the Green's function for the equation 1 and 2. The first one is it should be continuous and has a derivative with respect to the order of n minus 2. It should have a derivative with respect to n minus 1, n minus 2 order of n minus 2 inclusive for this x greater than equal to a less than equal to b. And it should have a n minus 1 derivative with respect to x has a, at the point x equal to xi has a jump discontinuity that should be first kind, and therefore that may be the jump discontinuity must be equal to 1 by p naught of z. This is t plus 0 x equal to and x equal to t minus 0, left and the right. Okay, so these are the two derivatives. This is very important. This p naught of xi is nothing but the coefficient of the differential equation, the coefficient of highest derivative, order of highest derivative is nothing but p naught of z. From there you will get p naught of z, and each of these intervals, that is a comma z, will find out, and xi comma b also will find out the function g of x comma y, that should be nothing but equal to L of g is nothing but equal to 0. And the last condition is it should satisfy all the boundary conditions. Now these are the 4 different properties which we used for the construction of the Green's function. In the next video we will try to do the problem, we'll try to construct the Green's function for the given differential equation. Thank you.